Okay. So what's up, guys? Today we are, in the last episode we took off the exhaust, the other exhaust. So today, hopefully, if we have time, we're gonna get that on. Also, ordered some eBay special, some shiny boys, engine mounts. Don't look too closely. They look good from about there. Get any closer, and then we were gonna get some driving clips of the exhaust noise and stuff like that, and also get some clips of how much the motor is moving currently, because these are stock motor rounds with 270,000 miles on it, and they're not very good, surprisingly. But it's raining outside and snowing, and that's not good weather for filming. So we're just gonna do it all here, and then we're gonna get to tearing this exhaust off and disassembling whatever we have to get the motor mounted on. So let's get to work. So yesterday we took the other exhaust off, and I don't want to film that again, so we're just going to cut to it when all the exhaust is laying over there somewhere. And then we're going to get to these motor mounts.
In the center?
Yeah.
And the hangers come off of it. It naturally wants to sit straight flat.
Yeah. This coolant bullshit down here.
Yeah. Alright, so the exhaust is on finally. There was a lot of fucking issues with that, and like we're fucking torn up. But so yeah, now we're going to start it and get some audio clips of the new exhaust, and then we're going to start on getting those motor mounts started at least. We got the old one out. It doesn't look too bad. It's definitely splitting on this side. But, so we're gonna put this one in now. Driver's side, unbranded. It's cheapo. Don't look at it too closely. What was that?
I am getting excited.
I need a prepper.
Check.
Yeah, that was almost oopsies.
Almost oopsies. Can you hand me the big bolt? This thing's so annoying.
The reservoir?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, brake delete, man.
I mean, what does it do anyway?
It's giving you brake juice.
Why would I need brake? I'm trying to go fast. I'm not trying to slow down.
Okay.
It's got a point.
It's like so. Your lawyer problems.
What do you mean? That's why it's a manual. You can slow down by the transmission.
Okay. Yeah, Brock, do you wanna?
Jesus takes the reservoir. Moving out my way.
Look at that.
It's almost like I know what I'm doing.
Still not lining up, but so yeah, we're gonna finish getting this one on, and then
Take a nap.
yeah, take a nap, and then work on getting that one off, and then we got this back one way back there to deal with, and that's not very exciting. So, all right, so we're not able to finish tonight because we backed out the studs on the transmission, which it's no big deal really, but so this is the old mount, and this is the way it sits in the transmission, and these bolts sit through it like that. Well, the new motor mount is actually like damn near twice as thick as that, so there's not enough threads to bite into the transmission. So we're gonna go tomorrow morning, because it's really late right now, it's like midnight. We're gonna go tomorrow morning and find some bolts with the same thread pitch, with a flat bevel top, kind of like, pretty much like this one. This is another bolt that's on that side of the motor mount. But so yeah, we're gonna cut to tomorrow morning when we're gonna go run and grab these bolts and get this motor mount on. So. All right, it's the following morning, and we are on our way to Menards. We overslept and do it best closes at 2 p.m. because it's New Year's Eve. So yeah, we're going to Menards. I got the bolts in my pocket. We're gonna try to find some replacements and then get back and get these motor mounts finished up. All right, so yeah, we're back home now. We got the bolts we needed. Try to set them up here. See right here is drop. Okay. So here is the factory one, old cruddy and short, not long enough. And then yeah, we got these a little bit longer. We also got washers for them. So we're gonna get these on, and hopefully they go in without an issue.
Alright, we are going to do a quick 2 out of 3 engine mount test. The driver and the passenger are in.
Still gotta do the rear now.
Yeah, still have to do the rear. Yeah, I'm gonna say if we do the rear, your motor ain't moving.
Oh my god.
Like, it twerked like itty bitty.
Yeah, I can see it just like. Alright, so we didn't do the rear. It was just too hard to get to, and I didn't want to waste the time doing it tonight. So we just did the passenger and driver motor mount. We'll do the rear when we end up switching the motor. Got the radiator and everything back in. We're getting it up to temp. We're about to go drive it and see how the new exhaust sounds and how the new motor mounts feel. But for now, like what I've experienced sitting in the car, starting it up a little bit, it's already made a massive difference. But I'm really excited to drive it, and we'll see how it handles out on the road.
Shaky ass video. You still might.
Oh yeah, that feels so good.
I was saying you still might notice.
Oh, the shifting.
Oh yeah, that's what my
my Celica was. It slots in so much smoother. That's why I want to do it.
It doesn't feel it doesn't feel gross. It feels solid, but not gross. You know what I mean? What the? You got wheel spin on this?
It's because of that rear one.
No, it's because he has no movement now. This is better than the other one.
I love it so much.
That's why I want to get it lower.
You got low lack of traction control. Do whatever the f you want.
Just going to my house and then doing a turnaround. Yeah, no, that's what you should do. No, go to like that Burrick Road and see how it handles.
What road?
On that little, well, like going down to my road.
Oh god,
Like
oh
it's-
god. Woo. You got wheel spin?
No, not yet.
All I can tell you, I'm kind of sketched out because I know the tires that are on this car.
Let's say just the tires sketch me out.
Yeah, not the driver.
But then again, my tires sketch me out. That's typical too. My Hummer tires do.
Look at me, there's a wheel spin. One over, a little bit.
Yeah. So how's it feel to the exhaust back on there?
Feels good.
Price.
That's a good pop. So good.
It's so rough and idle.
You feel the shit much better.
Yeah, without all that fucking
All that
noise.
slop.
Yeah.
Dude, that slop is f***ing up your transmission too. Did you know that?
Oh, I know
Your
that.
synchros and all that shit. All that flop in there. It was fucking shit up. Nice and warm.
Angle the dangle, man. Oh god, he's going in so fast.
Oh! Oh, he dangled it.
Alright, before I end the video, Tanner,
What?
what's your review?
It's fucking awesome. I love it. Alright, so that's it for that video. Definitely drives a ton better. Yeah, I don't know. I just love it. I feel so much more connected to everything. Like, especially at high RPMs, you know, like the motor vibration feeds into the body of the car in tune with the exhaust noise, so it feels louder, but it's probably not much louder than it was on the other car. So yeah, it feels really good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on the video. And if you want to see more, like, subscribe, click the bell for all notifications and everything. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.